Are you a housewife looking to earn dollars online? Freelancing is now a fantastic opportunity for you. In 2025, housewives are becoming the backbone of many families. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer make it easy to start earning from home. Let's explore the top 5 freelance jobs perfect for housewives. First up are voice-over jobs. If you can read well in Malayalam or English, this is for you. Create gigs on Fiverr or Voices.com to start earning money. You can lend your voice to audiobooks or children's stories. With tools like Audacity and 11 Labs, you can produce high-quality work. Earnings range from $10 to $50 per minute of recording. Next, content writing and blog writing are great options. If you enjoy writing in Malayalam or English, you can create articles and blog posts. iTools like ChatGPT and Grammarly make this easier than ever. Writers earn between $5 and $100 per article. The third option is Canva design jobs. If you have a knack for design, create birthday posters or business cards on Canva. You can sell these designs on Fiverr. The potential earnings range from $10 to $75 per design. Virtual assistant jobs are another lucrative choice. Companies in the USA and UK are often looking for assistants. Duties include managing emails and scheduling appointments. If you can organize your time well, this job is quite stable. Rates are between $5 and $20 per hour. Lastly, consider offering YouTube channel voice and script services. Write scripts, provide voiceovers, and create thumbnails. Many YouTube channels need these services. Using tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Canva, you can charge $15 to $100 per project. To succeed in freelancing, housewives should follow a few tips. First, create a schedule to maintain discipline. Make sure to complete your Fiverr and Upwork profiles fully. Upload samples of your work, whether it's audio, PDF, or design. Don't forget to promote your services through YouTube videos. In conclusion, freelancing offers housewives a chance to earn a good income from home. Explore the top 5 jobs we've discussed. Start your journey today to make the most of online opportunities. Ready to take the next step? Start today and unlock your potential.